City Shonley, and today I'm going to teach you how to make some glitter galaxy slime. As you guys know, my channel is called Shonley's Glittery Galaxy, so I thought, why not make a slime that matches with my channel? So the first thing you need to add is some glue. I added a lot of glue before I started, and then you're gonna add some shaving cream. Then I'm gonna add some black. Wait, first you need to mix in the shaving cream into the glue, so it makes it better. Okay, it's all mixed in. Now you need some glitter and some other glitter, but now I'm gonna add in some black paint. Add a little drop of this at first, and then you can start adding more and more. But I always start with a little drop because little drop goes really far. It's turning out gray right now, but I think it's kind of cool actually. So let me add 2 drops this time. And that's gonna. Okay, I think that's enough. I added enough, I think. It makes it black. Made it black, but I think I need a little more because it's turning gray right now. So, okay, I think that's enough. Maybe add too much dye, who knows? I think it's right now. Alright, so it's turning dark gray, but it's gonna become black. This is what it turned out so far, so I think I need to add more and more just to get darker and darker. So squeeze. Okay, that's enough. Just mix. Just mix. Now it's turning black. I just need to mix. A little more to get it the color I want. Okay, I think that's enough. Now close that up and mix. So, okay, I think it's black enough. Took a long time to make it this color, but I think it's black enough. So now I think it's black enough. You guys can see. It looks like a darkish grayish, but I think it's nice. Just start mixing. I think now I'm gonna add some borax in. So I have to be very careful. I'm not adding too much borax. Okay, now I need to keep adding some more borax. More borax. Borax. I'm gonna mix it up, but I hope it works this time. I think it's working, but I think I need a little more borax. I think it's gonna work now. And now it's working. So it's got mixed. And then I'm gonna keep collecting it. Just gotta add some more. Tad bit. That's good. Pretty good. I gotta mix it. Mix. It's coming off the sides, coming off the sides. Come on. I think I need a little more borax. I mean, it's working, but it's like not coming so much together. I think that's good enough for now. Okay, I think it's spread it out all over. I think so. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. I think it's alright. I think it's alright. I think it's alright. You know, okay, it's slobbery, but it also is really good. It's like slobbery glitter galaxy. So I'm gonna put that there and then I'm gonna start using my slime. Okay, this is actually turning out quite good. But like, it's coming off, but it's not completely. Needs more borax. It needs more borax. I just need to mix more and then it's gonna come what I thought, but right now it's not coming right now. It's not coming together right now, and I know it will. That's one thing. Squish it together and mix, 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 mix. I think I got it mostly off my hands. Now I think I'm able to like borax. Mix it. I think I need more borax, but I gotta mix this together first. I know it's coming together. Come on. Mix together. Slime. It's not even coming together yet, but I think it is a little, but not as much as I thought right now, but it's coming together a little better. And it's starting to come off my hands. It's good. Mix it. Yeah, there we go. Now it's coming together. Okay, you gotta be careful not to get it on you as much, but start kneading more. It's like kneading more. I think it's okay. And it's getting better actually. Getting better, but it's not better yet. There you go. Now mix it. Mix it with your hands. Mix it. Ow. I'm trying to get it off my hand, but it's sticking to me. Alright. Together. Not so good, but I can deal with it right now. Borax. Okay, that's enough. There, now it's coming together. Now you're coming together, slime. Alright, coming off me. Better. Better. Much better. It's great. Okay, I gotta say. Get it off of my... Why is it all over me? I need to mix some more, probably? think I just need to like mix through this, and then it's like gonna come off more, or is it just gonna stay or something? It's just staying. It's just okay. So I'm gonna have it off of me. It does get very messy, but it's slime. I need to wipe, so it's all over me. But it's coming together actually. It's like butter slime almost, because I had to add a lot of activator. But it's pretty good actually, I have to say. I think it's ready for a galaxy turn into. First I just need to mix it more. And then my mom's gonna get me a wipe, because I need it. This is turning out really good, actually. Once you start adding more activator, create your slime more like slime. So I'm gonna wait until my mom gives me a wipe to add the glitter, because it's all over me, and the glitter will stick to me. So I'm gonna add the stuff that's still in the bowl to my slime. See what happens. To mix the rest of it in. It's pretty good, I gotta say. It's actually a really good slime, even though it's not so stretchy. It's pretty good, I gotta say. Look at this. This is amazing. Like, look at how it makes bubbles, like really galaxy. Okay, I need to wipe my hands and put this back in the bowl and wipe my hands. It's coming off.
Can help you.
Yeah, my mom's gonna help me, but this slime turned out pretty good.
Leave your hands there. First get all this slime off with your hands.
Now it just leaves more.
Oh, it's coming off.
I love
Here,
it.
let go.
You have to be careful with black dye, because it can get all over your hands. Your mom will have to scrub you.
All right, this will come off in the thing. You're gonna put your hands back in. It's okay. Just let it go. Just don't, here, dry it so your glitter doesn't stick.
Let me try it. Okay, now I'm gonna take the bowl. My mom's gonna take the bowl away, and then I'm gonna show you Grandma. Take that away, and I'm going to add some glitter in. So you guys can see. So this is my slime. It's really fluffy, and it's very stretchy actually. And it looks so cool, like a spider web almost. You can see like this. Look at that. Look at that. It's like a spider web almost. But it is so cool. So now I'm gonna add some glitter. So I'm gonna add some glitter. I think I'm gonna add some purple glitter first. Mix it in, mix it in, mix it in, mix it in. Yeah, it doesn't really show up. Now I'm gonna add silver.
Just
glitter.
a little, not all of it. You can add it little bit by little bit.
Okay, now it's turning glittery, and I like the slime. That's so cool. It's like a glitter
Now squish it, flip it over, and I'll put this. Spread it out flat or in the middle, and I'll dump it. Yeah.
And now I have to like, it feels so cool, but it also makes your slime so, look at that, It's just amazing. It's just amazing. It's not showing up.
Oh, I can see the silver. It looks pretty.
It looks really pretty though. Look at this. It's my galaxy slime. I've never actually made a galaxy slime, so this is my first time. Look at that.
There, you
Look,
can
it's
see all
like a
the
spider web.
sparkle in there.
That's our neighbor. This is an amazing, it looks like spider webs. Spider webs, ta-da! So make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn notifications. See you guys later. Bye.